Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. Here is blue color, red color, parrot color, green color, brown color, pink color, purple color, and the last one is orange color. Now let's color the lipstick. How many lipsticks can you see here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4.